How to view all installed applications and software in Windows. Hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you all the ways to view installed application and software in your Windows. So you may follow out this method for that. So method number one is from settings. For that, we can open up our settings, go to Windows plus I, open up our settings, go to apps from there and got for installed applications here and tap on that option. And there we'll see all of the installed software, size and uninstalled options as well. If you want to uninstall, you can look out for the three dot and click on it and look out for uninstall option and uninstall it. If not this, we can look out for them from our start menu as well. So press Windows key, and once we press Windows key, we'll be finding applications. So we can click on all and it will give us a list of all the application installed on our device. We can just head over and open it up. So it will show you most of the applications, even including the Microsoft Store applications. And another method is using the control panel, which is a classic way. So for that, press Windows plus R, there type in just appwiz.cpl, hit enter, and it will open up your control panel and it will open up your programs and features, full list of all the desktop software on your device. You can just go over and open it up. And at last, another method we can follow up is we can press Windows plus R and there type in shell and type in apps and type in folder and hit enter, and it will open up the sub page with all of the applications installed on your device. You can follow this method. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up in order to view all the installed application on your device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.